wall hanging bracket is one of the product which looks very small and not very expensive, but which holds the wall hanging cabinets to its core, and the reputation of the whole of the cabinet depends on that wall hanging brackets. So I would like to share what one should be checking before installing wall hanging brackets, what kind of wall hanging brackets we should take. One of the major thing is the what quality product they are using to make the wall hanging brackets. It should be made of ABS material. Sometimes some cheaper versions they make the plastic one. So it don't have that kind of load bearing capacity because the plastic load bearing capacity is much less than the ABS one. So in our opinion, one should use ABS with the other material of the steel. It really increases the load bearing capacity of the wall hanging bracket. Another thing is it should be easy to install. The process should not be cumbersome. Another major thing is the load bearing capacity. If you are using the ABS material with the proper steel components, the load bearing capacity of the wall hanging bracket is so good that you don't need to change this wall hanging brackets in the entire lifetime of the cabinet. And hence the appearance of the wall cabinet is after installing the wall hanging cabinet, we should have cover which conceals the cutouts which are being used to install the wall hanging brackets. If all of these things are taken care of, which are being taken care of in Marsun wall hanging brackets, so I think it enhances the beauty of the wall hanging cabinet. In cabinets, the strength to last many years to come. Like in the lifetime of a cabinet, you don't need to deinstall the wall hanging brackets and then put it again. I hope this video was helpful, and if there are any questions, please leave in the message. We will be more than happy to take care of that and give you further info.